Alright guys, let's try to do this. I'm gonna divide the video in two parts. First part will be products that I use to restore different parts from the three cars, the Audi TT, the Jaguar F-Type and the Ferrari 308. So I'm gonna walk you through that, and then on the second part I'm gonna talk about products that I use to detail the car and maintain it. So let's begin with the restoration products. And like I said before, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. It's just based on my personal experience. So the first product you might have seen in some of my 308 videos, I've been restoring the leather seats, and I use Leatherique. It's the Leather Rejuvenator. Great product. You can get it on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down below. And the Prestine Clean is the cleaner that comes with that product. You have to buy it separately, but it's very important because you have to apply this, clean the leather first before you apply the softener, as I call it, and then after you have to clean it again with this to remove all the oily residue. So great product, I highly recommend it. You might have seen another video where I restore the canvas top in Cruz's black TT. So the product that I use is the Protex Canvas Restorer. Great product. It's from the UK. I got it on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link below too. Very durable, very black, very dense black. Once you apply this, I mean, at least in my car, it has been a couple of years and it still looks excellent, and then you can reapply it. It's just a great product. When it comes to plastic restoration, I use the TriNova brand. It's a great product. It brings back the shine in all the black plastic parts around the car, the trim, and in the engine bay. I've seen, you probably have seen that. I use that on the TT, and there's one of the videos where I describe it. It's a great product and very durable too. This one is not well known. Look at this product. It's called the Gummi Flesh Stift. It's from Germany. I probably said that wrongly. This product is for the rubber surrounds that you have in the door seals. When you close the door, sometimes you get like that rubber through time. It gets hardened or it gets sticky with the door, and you can hear it, and it's not good. So you use this to restore that rubber surround in the doors or the trunk. Or it's just a fantastic product. I discovered that also on Amazon, and it works really, really well. The other thing, I've used simple product. I know the haters will comment now, but to glue my canvas top to the black the glass in the back, I use Loctite super glue. Simple. Okay. I know there are products out there that are meant to be used for those purposes. I'm just telling you my experience. I used this 2 years ago to glue the glass to the canvas top, and it's great. It doesn't come off, and every time I see a little gap, I apply another drop of this and the water won't come in. So this is, again, based on my experience, I highly recommend it. When it comes to touch-up paint, I bought the Ferrari Rosso Corsa red paint from Touch Up Direct. So these people, you go in and you can get your own color, and the company will send you the color and then the clear coat. Again, once you apply this, it's very hard then to notice when you did it or where you did it. I mean, it's really very good product from this company, that they make any color for any car brand, from touchupdirect.com. Excellent. I wish they would sponsor me actually. Another one you might have seen is on the inside of the TT, the black trim on the inside sometimes gets sticky. If you drink coffee in the car, coffee gets in there, or soda or whatever, and then the plastic gets sticky. It's hard to clean, and sometimes there's scratches in it too. So this is what I use: Chalkboard Paint from Oleum. Fantastic. It's matte finish, and it actually looks like it looked when the car was new. So my friend Doug recommended this product, and we disassembled the center console once. There's a video, I'm going to put the link there, and it looks incredible. So again, for faded and sticky black interior trim. I use also Rust-Oleum Peel Coat Blasted Metal. This is sort of a plastic dip type paint that I've used in some of the parts, like the rear spoiler in my TT. Again, very good product. I really like the texture of it. It's like grainy, it's not shiny, it's not matte. It looks really good. It's not wrinkled either, but I just like the look of it, so I do recommend it. For some of the engine parts, you've seen me use the Wrinkle Plus VHT paint, which is great because it gives that wrinkle paint look to like the I did the manifold in the TT, and it's fantastic. I've just done another application, and it was after a couple of years, so it's very durable, and it looks great. And lastly, I have the red Caliper paint also from VHT. I used this in calipers when we painted Cruz's calipers in his TT, and then I used this in some other parts in my engine bay. Very durable, excellent. Honestly, I should have used this in my calipers, but I didn't know. I had them painted professionally when I did it. So these are some of the products that I recommend for restoration, and there will be others that I'm gonna probably use as I restore other parts of the cars. But let's go now to the video around the products that I use to maintain and to detail my cars. Okay, so let's talk about the products that I use to maintain and detail the car and clean it. So let me start with the wax. I'm very old school because I've used this product for so many years, and I'm super happy with it every time. I use the Mother's Brazilian Carnauba, and you can get this in any auto store. It's just it's great. I use this in all of my cars, and it's just, you know, like I said, old school. There's many other new products out there, probably better. It's just that I know that well, and it's been so many years using it that I can highly recommend it. Again, Mother's Brazilian Carnauba. You can get this on Amazon too. For the upholstery, when I clean it and all the carpet areas, I use this one, Blue Coral. Great product. The top comes with some sort of brush here that you can use it for some the hard stains. So use this on the floor mats and carpets. I use this also on my home carpets to remove some stains, and it's fantastic product. So I highly recommend it. When it comes to polishing, like the exhaust tips, you know, they get very blackish, and there's a lot of very resistant dirty residue there. So I use Turtle Wax Premium All Metal Polish. This product, I've used many products like this, and you can use this on wheels and rims too. I used many different products until I discovered this one. You put it on a rag, and then after a few applications, I mean, the black residue comes off. Is a fantastic product. I've used it in other surfaces in the home, right? Like stainless steel and other things, and it's just fantastic. Again, I highly recommend the Turtle Wax All Metal Polish. It's a fantastic product. All right, so for hard odors in the car, so there are different kinds of sanitizers and, you know, little pine trees and things like that you can put inside the car, and I used many of those through the years until I discovered this thing. It's called Ozium Air Sanitizer. It's like super strong. It eliminates smoke, bad odors. When you get a used car and you want to sort of rejuvenate it, this is the way to go, right? I used this in my 308. It had 35 years of different smells, and you see if you've seen the video, I mean, there was even some mice in the car sometimes. And you put this in, you close the car, the next day it smells fresh, and it's just fantastic product. I keep using it for different purposes, so highly recommended, and you can get it on Amazon. When it comes to doing the ceramic coating, and you probably saw a video that I did the wheels on the TT, ceramic coated sea quartz. Great product. It's hydrophobic. It's the kit with the ceramic wax liquid there, and then it has the applicator and some rags. It's just the best thing ever. This product I've applied probably almost 2 years ago, and I haven't had to do it again. So it's that good. And in order to keep it going, and you buy also the Reload from CarPro, same company, and you use this to reapply some layers and protect the ceramic coating that you did. Trust me, you do this, at least you will have the car absolutely hydrophobic for a couple of years. It's just an incredible product. I'm thinking of doing it in my Ferrari, and that's something that maybe I do a video of it at some point. I use different chemical guys products like this, but this one I highly recommend, the EcoSmart RU waterless wash and wax, right? So if you don't want to use water and you want to do a quick clean up and waxing at the same time, this is the way to go. It's very durable. It provides an instant shine, and I highly recommend it. I mean, this is great product. I have other chemical guys products around ceramic coating that I haven't used because I still got a bit of the sea quartz left, but I'm gonna use them, and then we'll tell you guys if they're any good. But this one is fantastic, highly recommended. For tires, I use foam. Simple. Other people use other methods. I use the Black Magic tire wet foam. You can get this on Amazon. There's a package of like 3 or 4 that come in a box, and it gives a shine to the tires, and they look great, and it lasts quite a bit of time. So I've used it for many years. It's a great product to have. For convertibles, right? So I have the 308 is a Target top, but the Jaguar and the Audi are both fabric tops, right? Canvas. So I use this product. It was recommended by somebody in a forum once. It's a 303 fabric vinyl convertible top cleaner. Great product. It gives also some sort of finish to it that the water won't stick to the canvas, and it removes all the stains that you might have, bird poop or some other things. This is the 303. You can also get it on Amazon. I'll try to find the link and put it down below. I do engine degreaser from time to time. I degrease the engine to make it look better, and I use this Gunk Degreaser. I've used many, in this case, I've used many brands, and this is the one that I like the most. So I highly recommend it. And again, one application, a bit of water, and your engine will look incredible after that. And this last product, maybe this is more, should have been on the first video, the first part of the video, because it's a bit of restoring, but it's the undercoating paint, rust Oleum, again under the car. If you want to restore the undercoating and give it, some sort of rubberized surface to protect it, this is the way to go. It's a great product. You have to use a lot of it, so make sure that you at least buy 2 cans to do the full car if you have to do it. But those are the products that I use. Again, I wish some of them, these companies will sponsor me at some point, but again, based on my experience, I highly recommend these products, and hopefully you'll find that useful. Remember to go to the online store. There's some merch there. You can see the F-type shirt that I'm wearing and some other things, so I'm gonna put the link in the description. And I think that's it for now. Remember to subscribe, And stay tuned because there's other very interesting videos coming up for garage pots. Thank you for tuning, and see you around again soon. Bye.